Super cool etude. Everything is forte, according to Wohlfahrt's rendition, and everything is also in third position. So he is turning up the degree. The first part of the book was a little bit easier. Well, not easier, just different in first position. And now, of course, third position. So a whole new era, beginning of new era of violinists who discovering third position for the first time. A great etude to learn, wonderful exercise to kind of establish tricky moments in third position for yourself and start understanding and memorizing the position, fingerings in the position in the left hand. I hope you're having fun with this, and let me know if I can help with a private lesson. I'll be glad to schedule. If you are interested, let me know. I'm easy to find. And also, thank you for subscribing. I will see you in the next video. Thank you, guys.